I don't know how to stop it entirely. I tried. Starting in 1983, I tried to declare a universal disarmament for all humanity, and that we had to work out our problems as adults. I was only 20. I know. They can't do that. It doesn't work because people don't listen. Primate behavior. You know what I'm saying? Primate behavior. We're better than that, though. We can do it. We have the tools. We have the abilities. We just need to get a handle on our homicidal tendencies and our suicidal tendencies, for that matter. Because when I kill you, I kill me. That's a good thought. I should keep walking and talking. Where are we?